Hey y'all, today I'm going to show you how I made these cute little cowboy snowman ornaments. How cute are those? So today I'm going to make a black one. I'm going to use a black cowboy hat. Okay, I'm using 2mm nylon cord that I have cut to about 14 inches. I've burned the ends so they don't fray. I've got my little tassel here, and I am going to thread that on there and get it in the middle, just like that. And now I'm going to put my snowman on. So I want to work backwards so that when I put it on, they all go on the right way. So I'm going to start with this head upside down there. This is just a latch hook. I'm sure you can get those in any craft store. I've had this one for 30-40 years. So I've got my beads on there. Now I'm just going to slide them on my cord. I will have things listed in the description. I won't necessarily what do I want to say? I won't necessarily list like specific beads. I'll give you the companies that I buy from, because there's so many, you can do whatever you want. So I'm going to sink this bead here down on top of the little ring on my tassel here. So just push it down on there, just like that. Push the rest of them down. And then we'll put the cowboy hat on. Now, if there is a specific bead that you're looking for that you can't find, just holler at me. Leave me a comment, shoot me a message, and I will do my best to get you the information. Okay? So, got my hat on there. Now I'm just going to tie a knot on top. I want to keep everything nice and tight together. Okay. Now I'm going to, I leave about 2.5 inch gap. I've got a little tape measure over here. 2.5 inch gap to be able to hang it on your tree or wherever. Tie your knot. Cut off the extras. Burn it so that it doesn't, there we go. Burn it so that it doesn't fray or come undone or anything. And there you go. How cute is that? These would make great gifts. One-of-a-kind ornaments. But yeah, as always, thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions, just holler. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment. And if you want some more ideas for ornaments, check out my Facebook page. I'll have that in the description below. Yeah, that's it. And until next time, see ya.